Hi, I'm Monica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you a very nice and easy pancake. It is inspired by one of my favorite YouTubers, Chi. Her Korean pancake looks gorgeous. Let's go to the ingredients. We'll be using some chives, about 30 grams, and also carrots 30 grams, 50 grams of cabbage, one medium red onion, and 30 grams potatoes. I'm using some fresh mushrooms, but this is already frozen, so I'll use some of it. For the topping, 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 100 milliliter of water, half a tablespoon of soya sauce, half teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Actually, according to the recipe of Chi, she was using sweet potatoes, but I don't have sweet potatoes, so I replaced them with potato. Alright, I have rinsed all the vegetables and I also stripped them thinly. Here are carrots, potatoes, chives or green onions, each of them 30 grams, and 50 grams of cabbage, thinly sliced onions, and about 1 button mushroom. Prepare a mixing bowl and just put in all the ingredients we have sliced thinly into the bowl. We are going to mix all these ingredients with flour. So I divide into half first. I try to mix them evenly. Add some pepper and also some salt. You may adjust them to your preference. Add some water. Try to mix it first so that all the flour are already mixed with the vegetables. If you see it is too dry, you may add all the water. So you can adjust it to the correct consistency. Not too wet or not too dry. Heat up pan at medium-high. Let's add 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. If you have cast iron pan, that is the best. I'm using a non-stick pan. It's hot now. We may pour in all the mixture into the pan. Try spread it to cover up all the surface of the pan. After about 3 minutes frying, now we can arrange the mushroom on top of the pancake. We need about 8 to 10 minutes for each side to be cooked. By this time, let's make the sauce. Just mix a teaspoon of chili sauce with a teaspoon of soya sauce and add some sesame seeds. Break them by squeezing them to release the aroma. And it is also good to add a half teaspoon of sugar and a squeeze of some lemon juice or lime juice. Mix well all the ingredients and set aside. Let us prepare a platter for our delicious vegetable pancake. We can have a peep if it is dry, or we can flip it. Actually, the original recipe doesn't include the cabbage and the carrot. I add them to add some sweetness because Chi used sweet potato. So my potato is a normal potato. There is no sweetness inside. It looks and smells good. Crisps, crisps, crisps. It will be crisp outside but tender inside. Nice autumn color, isn't it? This is quite a successful try. This is my first time, you know. Thank you, Manchi, for your gorgeous recipe. Serve when it is warm.
Yummy!
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my cooking today. Try it at home, okay? And let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Goodbye. I'll catch you in my next cooking video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done it. And give me a thumbs up and also comment below. And if you find this recipe is easy and good, please share it with your family and friends. Bye.